It's Monday, and I don't know about you, Roses, but I'm trying to get more organized these days. That means trying to plan out my hairstyle, my nails, and my perfume of the week. So if you want to see what I choose, go ahead and stay tuned.
I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally.
Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. As you can see, we went ahead and got right into the hair portion of this video. Right now, I'm packaging the Freetress, otherwise known as Shake and Go Oval Part Crochet Wig in the style Water Wave color 1B. So, look at these curls. What do these curls remind you of? They remind you of like a twist out or flat twist out, right? Right. And since this is a U part, we have that little plastic piece you can go ahead and cut off or keep there. We also have this adjustable elastic um, band type thing that you can tighten if you would like. And this comes with a total of 7 combs. This is a synthetic unit and is 100% hand tied, which you can see here. And it's hand tied throughout the entire unit, which makes these curls flow nicely, as I noticed after I put this on. But ain't that something? Freetress has made it so you don't have to make your own crochet wig. They'll just do it for you. What's nice is this mesh crochet cap makes it pretty lightweight and airy, so that's nice. And the drawstring, you can see my hair is in 2 flat twists. I'm going to go ahead and leave my own hair out and have my own part with my own scalp. So before we get further into this, let me go ahead and oil this down, make sure everything's fully protected. You see my hair is in 2 braids in the back that have been crossed over each other. And I'm brand new to oval part wigs, but you know, I'm sure I can figure this out. The amount of combs do make me a little nervous because I don't want the rest of my edges snatched out, but I'm going to be very gentle with it. And while I'm figuring this out, let's go ahead and get into the scent of the week. Choices, choices, choices. This portion of the video is in collaboration with Dossier. You may want to listen up on this portion, then we'll get back to the hair in just a moment. Hey, I'm looking at 2 scents from Dossier. The first one is Floriental Coconut. The second one is Fruity Jasmine. And just a recap, if you don't know what Dossier is about, Dossier are here to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. They give you a tester. Go ahead and try out the tester. You don't like the tester? Go ahead and send the full size bottle back and you don't gotta pay for it. All returns are free. For more on Dossier, go ahead and check out the website at dossier.co or check out my previous full video on the first package of Dossier I received. Which one is it going to be? Is it going to be Fruity Jasmine or is it going to be Floriental Coconut? Fruity Jasmine. The inspiration behind this one is from Dior, the J'adore Eau de Parfum. Yeah, I could rock with this. It has like a perfect mixture of fruit and flowery, so it's not too fruity, not too flowery. I definitely like this one. The other one is Floriental Coconut. Ooh. This Floriental Coconut is a surprise, a pleasant surprise. I might even hold it. It's inspired by the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Eau de Parfum. Oh. It has a Is it the tuberose that's giving it a little, as a kick or something? Oh, whatever it is, that's what I'm wearing. Floriental coconut. And let me say thank you to Dossier again for partnering with me. And my nails of the week are these press-on nails that I did myself. So that's it for the nails. Okay, so back to this hair. Yeah, so I'm just trying to situate these combs in the right area so I can go ahead and take down the flat twists and my hair will fall over where the U part begins. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this for a bit while I do this. I think the blend's okay so far. So far so good. This is a super easy style to do. Okay, so on the left we have the first day. You can see my definition here is not as defined as it is on second day on the right. And I'll show you a close-up in a second. Right here. On the right side, I decided to add more water before I did my two-strand twist, which gave it more definition. So clearly I'm happy with my results. You know, first day was okay. Second day was even better because I gave more definition to my own hair. And then third day, I decided to go ahead and fluff out the hair with a brush, which gave it way more volume, what I'm used to. And it was perfect. So my final thoughts, this Freetress oval part crochet wig is super comfortable. Lightweight, it does not put a whole lot of heat on my neck or shoulders. It's big head friendly. You see how long the drawstring was. It's not itchy and didn't have a smell. I give this an A+. So Roses, tell me what you think. Do you like it? Would you purchase it? Would you be willing to try it out with your own hair? Let me know. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with someone. And other than that, I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.